This analysis is exploring the Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge. Major progress achieved on the Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge. Nitish Kumar's government accelerates Bihar connectivity drive. In a landmark stride towards enhancing Bihar's infrastructure, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar government has achieved a significant progress in the construction of the much-anticipated Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge. This ambitious project aimed at improving connectivity across the state is said to become the longest river bridge in the India, stretching approximately 9.76 km across the Ganga. The bridge which connects the Kachi Dargah in Patna to Bidupur in Vaishali district is a key element of Bihar's roadmap for economic growth and development. Once completed, it will serve as a critical link between the northern and the southern region of the Bihar, reducing travel time and fostering better trade and commerce opportunities. Visionaries planning for comprehensive development. The Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge project was conceptualized under the Nitish Kumar-led government as a part of its broader mission to modernize Bihar's infrastructure. The state government collaborated with national and international experts to design the bridge, ensuring it meets global standards. The project involves the construction of 6-lane bridge with state-of-the-art technology capable of withstanding heavy traffic low roads. This also includes provision for better connectivity to national highway and other arterial roads. The strategic location of the bridge promises to unlock the economic potential of a region that were previously underserved due to poor connectivity. Economy and social benefits. Once operational, the Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge is expected to transfer the socio-economic landscape of Bihar. The reduction in travel time will enable faster movement of goods and services, boosting local businesses and industries. It will also benefit farmers by providing them with a quicker access to market, ensuring better prices for their production. Additionally, the bridge is likely to promote tourism by connecting key cultural and historical sites such as Nalanda, Vaishali and Rajgir more effectively. Improved connectivity will encourage investment in infrastructure, education and healthcare in a region, uplifting the quality of life for residents. And this is the progress and the challenges. Despite delay caused by unforeseen challenges, including environmental clearance and the COVID-19 pandemic, the Nitish Kumar government has ensured steady progress on the project. Recently, the government announced that the bridge's construction has reached a significant milestone, with over 60% of the work completed. Key components such as the bridge piers and the deck are being built using advanced construction technique to ensure durability and safety. The state government has also worked tirelessly to address issues related to the land acquisitions and rehabilitations, ensuring minimal disruption to the local communities. Several affected families have been compensated and alternative housing arrangement has been provided, reflecting the government's commitment to inclusive development. Commitment to timely completions. Speaking about the progress, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar reaffirmed his government commitment to completing the bridge within the revised timeline. The Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge is a symbol of our dedication of transforming Bihar's infrastructure. This project is not just a bridge but also a lifeline that will connect the people's idea and opportunity, he said. The project has also received strong backing from the central government with financial assistance and technical expertise. Contributing to its advancement, regular reviews are being conducted to monitor the pace of construction and address any bottlenecks. And last but not the least, coming to the future prospect, the Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge is poised to set a benchmark for infrastructure development in India. It aligns with Bihar's larger goal of creation of a robust network of roads and bridges to facilitate growth and prosperity. Once completed, it will stand as a testament to Nitish Kumar's vision of progressive Bihar. As the state eagerly awaits the inauguration of this engineering marvel, the bridge promises to not only bridge geographical divides but also pave the way for a brighter, more connected future for Bihar. Thank you for watching this video.